to Walside Classic and Sports Car. We'd like to offer a varied selection of vehicles here, and this is no exception. Okay, it's the first one of these we've ever had for sale. It's probably the only one we're ever going to have for sale. It's a 1958 Beardman taxi. Only built about 700 apparently. It's in very good overall condition really. Fiberglass coach built body, Ford engine, it's petrol engine, overhead valve. It's ideal for revival or places like that, or classic car shows, and just for a little fun. It does drive okay. We'll take you down the road in a moment. It's not concourse, but it's a lot of fun for not a lot of money. So finished in black over burgundy. It's got nicely trimmed inside. We'll show you that in a moment. Some of the nice features of the vehicle and its originality. It's not as many owners in all fairness. It's got some vintage luggage. We've got the original meter with it. The lights are all working and everything. So we've got wipers, hydraulic brakes. Quite a modern vehicle really. I mean, it's probably not as popular as the Austin version, but it makes it more rarer. So, but it's just super cool. So just ready for a couple of weeks to the Goodwood Revival. It's been to the Revival before. You may have seen it if you've been down there. For what we're asking for this, some people will pay more for an hotel room for a couple of days. So there, it's ticking over quite nicely at the moment. We'll open the bonnet for you in a moment. So it's in quite nice condition. As I say, there are a few little blemishes and bits and bobs. It's obviously been painted in its time, but very original. Inside, so we've got a brown vinyl trim which matches the rear. Sliding partitions. We've got light switches up the top there, big light switches, interior light there. We've got indicators and headlights which are moulded into the wings, so quite a modern thing. It's got hydraulic brakes. It's got the optional heater there which works. The only thing that doesn't work as far as where we can see is the petrol gauge. There's a petrol dipping stick in the back. Okay, this is where it turns fun. Got a bench seat there for 3 people. Headlines all in good condition. Windows all slide down and everything. And then we've got some fold down dicky seats for rearward facing passengers. Again, just very clean. Upholstery's in good condition. It's not perfect, but you certainly wouldn't do anything to it. It's nice to use. Again, we've got air vents there, switches there for the lights, etc. We've got the heater, vents down the bottom. Again, Bakelite ashtray. It's such a cool thing. And we've also got the Metropolitan fare table for the meter, which can be seen through the sliding partition. So just good fun. Lights all working, headlining's in nice condition. I'll just show you under the bonnet. Close the door. Okay, under the bonnet, ticking over quite nicely. Overhead valve, Ford engine. So there we are. Paintwork not perfect, but just wants nothing doing to it, just to enjoy and have a little bit of fun. So we'll take you down the road and show you it does drive. Thanks again.